Mrs. Reliance Limited, an Indian company, has sold goods worth $5 lakhs to Mrs. Johnson Incorporation, United States of America. How much rupees Mrs. Reliance Limited will have from above export exposure? Spot exchange rate is 71 rupees per dollar. Try to calculate answer on your own. Okay. So friends, over here the information is given to us that there is an Indian company which has exported goods and it is going to receive the consideration in dollar terms. So the transaction in which it would be interested upon is conversion of the dollar into rupees. The transaction in which it would be interested upon is conversion of the dollar into rupees. As per the given information, it is going to receive an amount of 5 lakhs dollar. And its value in rupees term is required to be calculated. The exchange rate is 71 rupees per dollar. So the spot exchange rate is 71 rupees per dollar. Again, we understand logically that the price of dollar is given in terms of rupees. If at all you want to purchase dollar, you have to sell higher amount of rupees. So the rate applicable is 71 rupees per dollar. And if at all you want to convert dollar into rupees, for every $1 you will get less amount of rupees. This is what we understand. This is the way we do the bifurcation of the exchange rate. Now the transaction in which we are interested upon is sell of dollar and purchase of rupees. So this is the rate in which we are interested upon. Sell of dollar and purchase of rupees. So it is rupees and dollar. 70 rupees is equal to $1. We are required to find this is the amount of rupees for 5 lakhs dollar. So the answer is 70 into 5 lakhs. Divided by 1, that does not make a sense. That comes to an amount of rupees 350 lakhs. Please write our answer.